Okay, we are nearing the end of Chapter 6 on subtraction. We're on Lesson 6.6, Write More Subtraction Sentences.
How can you solve subtraction word problems and complete the equation?
Howdy! My friend Henry and I were just watching some beetles. Can you see them on the railing? Henry counted 6 beetles on the railing. Then 2 beetles crawled away. Henry asked, how many beetles are left? I wonder how I can figure out how many beetles are left. Come on, let's learn more about solving subtraction word problems.
There are some staplers. 2 staplers are taken from the set. How many staplers are left? How many staplers did you start with? Let's write a subtraction sentence to match the story problem. The first number in the subtraction sentence shows how many staplers are in the set to begin with. Click the staplers to show the first number in the subtraction sentence. 8. There are 8 staplers to begin with. This is the minus symbol. Remember, the minus symbol means to subtract. The next number in the subtraction sentence shows how many staplers are taken from the set. Click the staplers that are taken from the set to show the next number in the subtraction sentence. 2. There are 2 staplers taken from the set. This is the is equal to symbol. Remember, the is equal to symbol means is the same as. The last number in the subtraction sentence shows how many staplers are left. Click the staplers that are left to show the last number. 6. So there are 6 staplers left in the set. Click the subtraction sentence to read it. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. There are some crayons. 3 crayons are taken from the set. Let's write a subtraction sentence to match the story problem. The subtraction sentence will show how many crayons you start with and how many crayons are left. The first number in the subtraction sentence shows how many objects you start with. How many crayons do you start with? Select the number.
So we have to count all of the crayons first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's our starting number.
Good job! You start with 7 crayons. Let's complete the subtraction sentence. This is the minus symbol. Remember, the minus symbol means to subtract. The next number in the subtraction sentence shows how many crayons are taken from the set. How many crayons are taken from the set? Select the number.
How many crayons did we X out? Good, 3.
Good job! 3 crayons are taken from the set. Then comes the is equal to symbol. It means it's the same as. The last number in the subtraction sentence shows how many crayons are left. How many crayons are left? Select the number.
Count the remaining crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job! 4 crayons are left. Click the subtraction sentence to read it. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
And that'll be lesson 6.6 in Think Central. And right now I'd like you to get your math workbook out to page 341, 341, and your crayon.